Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you all the fuel pump fuses and relays. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. You will have a total of 2 fuses to check and 1 relay. They are all located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery. Now to lift this cover you will have 2 clips, one here and one here, so you want to press onto both of these to unlock it and then lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Your main fuel pump fuse is fuse number M25. It's a 20 amp fuse located right here. So this is the fuse you want to check, the yellow 20 amp fuse. Second fuse to check would be fuse number M37, which is right here. I hope you can see it. I'll zoom in a bit. And this is also fuse responsible for the power to fuel pump, among a bunch of other things. So you want to check this yellow one right here and the red one right here. Fuel pump relay is the relay just down here in the right lower corner. Now to test it you can try replacing it with any of the other ones and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, it's a few dollars, and have it replaced. And hopefully this will fix your starting or driving issues. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.